Hello gender, so I'm starting today's video by welcoming everyone in this channel. I hope for whoever are new in this channel, very welcome to them. So I hope you're all well, very well, and now this is the time to show you what I'm gonna need for this video. And you see I have made some more flowers with this pipe cleaner. These are called pipe cleaners, and this is the solid wire that I'm gonna need to make the stem beautiful and solid. And you see I took 3 different color to make the flower, and this is gonna be the stem of our flower, the super glue, and the normal glue, and the scissor. As you can see, I picked 3 different colored pipe cleaner here, and I'm taking 3 other stems from this color. So fold it evenly and then twist the 3 stems all together in the middle. There is no need for cutting, because if you want to cut anything, then you need to measure it, and you don't need to measure it. I mean, just a little, and that's fine. So now if you have twisted it, and you can see it's kind of like star. Now you need to take one of its hand and just fold it all together and then twist it again, just the way I'm doing it. Now turn the star into a spider by folding it to one hand, and you see now it looks like this. I hope it helps to you all. And now so fold each of the hands of this now spider in the same way that I just made the spider from the star. So, and get all the petals done. Don't need to rush, you just follow my lead and get a beautiful flower, just like from star to spider and a spider to a flower, just like mine. अब जब पंखुड़ी सारे बन के रेडी हो गए तो थोड़ी सी प्रेस करके इन कर्ल कर दो, ताकि ये सही में मतलब रियल जैसा पंखुड़ी लगे. Trust the way I'm doing it. Now let's move on to the next part. So I'll take the white pipe cleaner or chenille stem, and I'm dividing it into 3 equal parts, and now cut it out. I repeat, I'm not measuring it with any sort of scale. I'm just making a guess. But I can assure you that when I'm doing it, I'm not gonna regret about it. I'll take one of these small white pieces and use it to make a butterfly petal or small petals. I showed you this stuff, right? So you just follow my lead. हम इसे ऐसे चिपकाएंगे बीच में. तो इसको भी थोड़ा सा इंकर्ट कर लो, and then this, I showed you this one, right? So I tied into these petals, so it'll look like these are coming from the middle, just like real stamens and the flowers. So I'm just trying to make a real one. After getting all the petals of this flower done, we will use the remaining part, जो नीचे की तरफ बच गई है इधर जो देख रहे हो. We will tie it all together with one single stem, जो कि रह गया है, ताकि ये it don't bother me when I bind it to the solid wire or main stem. And then I will twist it, and now it's done. हाँ पता है butterfly petals गिर गया है, तो ठीक है लगा दूंगी ना. तुम लोग चुपचाप ये वीडियो देखो बस. I have made many more of the same color in the same way, so I'm not making it again, but I didn't attach this white petal to the middle, so I will attach it with the super glue. So I'll just glue all the butterfly petals one by one. I had already made the small petals so that I wouldn't have to make them again. I'm just attaching them with the larger one. So here's another color that I have already made the flowers with it, and I'm not making it again in front of the camera because एक ही प्रक्रिया का उपयोग करके बनाया है, so why wasting time? And lastly, I made this white flower with the same process. और इसके भी जो butterfly petals है वो भी मैंने चिपका दिया, so now it looks like these flowers are spread out on my table in such a way that it looks as if they have fallen from the garden. Such a colorful and beautiful drisha. I mean, I'm in love with these flowers and the colors. Now it's time to glue the flower to the stem. So इसके लिए I took this hard wire to make the stem of the flowers, and I made दो कलियाँ. Let me show you this कलियाँ है. I'll cover the bottom part with a green colored tape. I showed it in the beginning of the video. I didn't make a video of making these buds because I didn't think it was very necessary, as it is very easy to make. Just take one white colored pipe cleaner and then cut it into 2 equal pieces and then twist the top of each of the pipe cleaner. That's how you make the buds. The flower buds have already been covered with the green tape. Now let's apply the same tape to all the flowers. We don't need to make any sample for this kind of flowers, so just covering the down part with green colored tape would be enough. तो वैसे ही we'll cover the remaining flowers with the green colored tape. Now with the hardware, we're gonna slowly bind all of the flower buds and the flowers. I mean, if you've been paying close attention from the beginning of this video, you might have noticed that I made 3 different colored flowers. You'll see some flowers that bloom at night are actually white in color in the beginning and then gradually turns into a darker shade of color. So I'll do exactly that way. I mean, I am trying to do that way. First, I add the white buds, then white colored flowers, and then the other 2 different colored flowers. So it's like light to dark flowers that I'm gonna attach with the stem. Matlab, in the top of the shoot, you'll actually find the new flowers that blooms, and in the bottom of the white flower, the darker shade flowers that blooms. So this is kind of like this is a natural process of flower growth that I wanted to portray in this video. If you have noticed, I use a thin wire with which I first tie the flower buds to the large stem before covering with the green tape. Since the bottom of the bud is small, I tie them tightly so that there was no chance of falling off of them. So I tied them with the thin wire before that, binding with the green tape. अब ऐसे इसको नीचे की तरह थोड़ा सा मोड़ दो तो ये बिल्कुल जो असली में फ्लावर्स होते हैं उसी तरह लगेगा. Now that our flower is done, and please don't miss the end part of this video. So that's all in this video, and I hope you like it. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Please let me know in the comment section that how much you like this flower. If you have any suggestion, please do let me know in the comment section. Do not hesitate about anything. Take care, but not bye-bye. So this is the final outcome of this video and the flower. ये देखो, ये पीछे चाइनीज लोग भी अपने इंडियन लोगों के जैसे झगड़ा करे. Okay, ये सब तो चलता रहेगा. But if you want to know how I make this vase, then you can watch the video. Link is in the description box. So that's all for today's video. Take care. Bye bye.